Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you have to open Contacts application, tap here, select device, then tap here, go to settings, select import, then select your SIM card. Here you can select contacts which you want to copy from your SIM card to your device and tap import. And as you can see, 5 contacts imported, and now we have new contacts on our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.